Good evening, guys. Welcome back on Black Friday. Yes, in this additional of today's newspaper on Friday, November the 29th, 2024. Let me remind you, next Friday is the first Friday of the month. We will have a speed test. And I've already solved in this additional already one puzzle, the 3 Star Sudoku. So 3 puzzles are left. Binary, Jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested. It's the 4 Stars Sudoku number 9679. Before start, I always count the printed digits, while the 4 Star Sudoku in the additional has always 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 Stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 Stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Let me see. Let me scan the puzzle. We have only two ones. We have here 3 2s. We have here 3 3s. 4 4s. Alright. 3 5s. No, 1 2 3 5s. Yes. 2 6s. 2 7s. 2 8s. And 3 9s. So the 4s are a majority. Can I start with the 4s? Can I start with the 4s? 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 4. We have a 4 in this one. No 4 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. 4 in this column. 4 in the first column. So the column between the second column. The only 2 places left. 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in the last row. 4 in the row above. So that row, the only place left the 4 should be there. 4 in this column. 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 in the second row. No 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next on the last column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used, I can't see. Digit number 1, number 4. Then these 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 7, 8 is missing, 6, 8, 7, 9 is missing. 6, 8, 9. And look, we have 6 and 8 in this column. So no 6 and 8 in this box. 6 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So one that is left should be the 9. 6 and 8, okay. 2, 2, okay. Need a 3 here. Need a 7 here. 6, 2. Come on. Come on. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row, and third row. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this row. First row, third row, 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7, 8 is missing. 6 and the 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 6 and 8. That means we need a 6 and 8 in one of these 3 boxes. 6 and 8. Well, we have 6 and 8 in the middle column. No 6 and 8 in this box. 6 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Okay, one of the missing number in this big square is number 5. No. We already have a 5 here. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place level 5 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 in these 2 boxes. We have 8 in this row, no 8 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for 8 in this big square. Should be there. 6 and 8. We already have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place level 1 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this second row for numbers 1. The 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 digit left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing here. How about these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2, 3, 7. Cannot fill this yet. Alright. One, 2. Need a 7 here. Oh, we have a 7 in the last row. No 7 there, so the 7 could be here, could be there. Need a 7 here. 9, 9. Need a 9 here. 9. Need a 9 here. 9, 9. Need a 9 here. 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the column between. Middle column, the only place level 9. Should be there. 2 3s. Well, we need a 3 in the middle column. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box level 3 in the middle column should be there. So the other 2 numbers should be the 2 and the 7. Let me mark those. Okay. 3, 3, need a 3 there. Yeah. 4. Need an 8 here. Yep. In the last column, we need an 8. Here can be an 8. We have an 8 in this row. No 8 there. So the 8 could be here, here, or there. We see another 8 in the last row. No 8 there. We see another 8 in the row above. No 8 there. So the only place level 8 should be there. So the 1, 7, and the 6. 1, 7, and 6. 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number in the last column is number 7. We have a 7 in this row, last row, no 7 there. We have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, no 7 there. Only place level 7 in this column should be there. So 2 numbers left now in the last column. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Yeah. Now. Need a 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row above, there are only 3 places left. 9 should be here, here, or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. So the 9 could be here, could be there. 9, 9, need a 9 here. 9. Come on, come on, come on, come on. You have 5 here. No 5. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places level 3. Could be here, could be there. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the third column, no 3 in these 3 boxes. We have 3 in this row, no 3 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box level 3 in this big square should be there. Mark those 2 boxes with a 3. We have a 3 in this row, so this can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Need a 3 here. And need a 3 here or there. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column, so the first column, the only place level 7 should be there. 1 box left now in the first column for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. I need an 8 here. And I need a 1 here. 2, 7, and one of the missing number in this big square is number 1. We have a 1 in the middle column, no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left and 1 in this big square should be there. And I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. So 2 numbers left. The 2 and the 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 2. How about these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 1, 6, 7. 6, 7. Oh, well, we have a 7 this row, no 7 there. 7 in that row, no 7 there. Only place level 7 should be here. So the 1 and the 6 are left. 1 and the 6, okay. Well. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 place level 2. Could be here, could be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places level 2. Could be here, could be there. 1, 6, 5. 5 in the last row, 5 in that row, so the row between the only place level 5 should be there. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next, on that column, the only 2 place level 5 should be here. Or there we have a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be here. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 now in this middle row, so no 5 there, 5 should be there. So how about 2 numbers left? The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Difficult. Do we have all the 5s? And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 5, okay. 189. 189. 1 and the 6, we already have a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below, so last row, the only place level 6 should be there. 6 and 8, we have a 6 in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8, need 8 here or there. 2 numbers left in the last row for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 3 and 9, 3 and 9, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 7 and the 3, we have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7, we have 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes early with the 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. Then mark those 2 boxes early with the 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 1 box left now in this row for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. Yeah, 9. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes in there. 1 and the 8, we have a 1 in this column, so this box should be an 8, and that box should be a 1. Okay. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. 1 and the 9, we have a 1 in the third column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 9 goes there. 1 and the 6, we have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5. 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, the 6 goes there. And the final 2 numbers 6 and 8, we have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 14 minutes. Cannot believe this. Quicker than the previous Sudoku. Well. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 15 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.